Once again, I am in front of you to provide a one more video in mathematics class 9 chapter 13 surface area and volume. We are taking today exercise 13.1. So without wasting, let us start. In question number 1, as you can see, a plastic box 1.5 meter long. So this will be the length, and 1.5 meter wide, that will be the breadth, and 16 meters centimeter deep, that means this is height. Okay, so it is opened at the top. Opened at the top, that means we have to ignore the top. Here you can see, as in case of the figure, top means length and width. Length and width means length into breadth. One is this one, second is just under this one. So we will neglect the top. So if we neglect the top, means this is for one time only, length into breadth. Okay, so we have to find the surface area. To find the surface area, we will have this formula. Here length into breadth only once in place of 2. Why? We are ignoring the top, rest as is it is. So here this is the length, as I told you, this is the breadth, and this is the height. Okay, since this is in centimeter, so we have to convert into meter, dividing 65 by 100. As in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. Whenever we are moving from lower unit to higher unit, we need to divide. If we divide, we are getting 0.65 meter as the height. So putting the value, length and breadth, then 2, this is again breadth and length into height. If you calculate, this will come 1.875, will come 3.575. So total equals to 5.45 meters square. This is the surface area when the box is open from the top. So we got it. Then to find cost of 1 meter square is given 20. So cost of it is, we multiply 20 by the surface area we have just calculated. So total cost will be rupees 109. This is the case in case of question number 1. Now let us move to question number 2. Here we have question number 2. In question number 2, length and breadth and height of the room are given respectively. That means first is length, so this will be the length. Then breadth, that means this will be the breadth. Then height, then this will be the height. Find the cost of whitewashing the 4 walls. That means we have to talk about the walls only. If we talk about the walls, that means we are not including top and bottom. That means if we open from one side, that is length and breadth, length, breadth, this is the bottom and this is the height. How we find the area? That is, here we have 2 length and we have 2 breadth. So length, 2 length and 2 breadth into height. So this is the formula for area of 4 walls, and this is for the ceiling. And ceiling is also included. That is, top is also, one top is included. So after putting the value 5 into 4 in place of this one, 2, B means 4, L means 5, H means 3. If we calculate the value, we will get 74 meters square as the surface area. Rate is given rupees 7.50 per meter square. So we multiply rate with the area. So we get rupees 555 as the cost of whitewashing. This is about question number 2. Now let us move to question number 3. In question number 3, the floor of rectangle has a perimeter. This perimeter is given. Okay, and perimeter means bottom. So, and cost of painting of 4 wall is at the rate of rupees 10 per is given this one. So find the height of the wall. So what we will do? We perimeter of the hall is 250 meter. Rate is 10. Cost of painting the wall 15,000. So let height be h. So area of 4 walls 2L into B into H. And what is this? This is perimeter. So in place of this one, we write 250 and H as it is. Then cost of painting 10 into 250. Area of 4 walls into 10, that is 250. So 10 rupees 15,000 equals to 10 into 250 H. Here we have H. Then 10 will go down and 250 will also go down. So 15,000 upon 2500, 250 into 10. So what you will get? 6 meter. So height of the hall is 6 meter. Okay. So now we move to question number 4. This is question number 4. Paint in a certain container sufficient to paint an area equal to this one. How many bricks of the dimension this? Dimension means this is length and this is breadth and this is height. So area to paint a certain container is this one. Dimension of the brick is given this one. So taking them length, breadth and height, surface area of the brick, surface area is 2. This one is the total surface area. Okay. So using L into B, so this is L and this is B, as I this one and this one. Then B into H, this is B and this is H. Then last is HL. You can see HL. HL means height into length. After putting the value, we will calculate what you are getting, 937.5 centimeter square. So we have to convert into meter square. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter square equals to 100 into 100. That is 10,000 centimeter square. Okay, that's why we are dividing this by 10,000. When we are converting centimeter square to meter square, we are dividing by 10,000. If you divide by 10,000, so to find the number of bricks, equals to the total paint upon surface area of one brick. So this is total paint upon area of one brick. This will go up. So what you are getting? You are getting 100. So 100 bricks can be painted out of the container. So this is about question number 4. Now we move to question number 5. In question number 5, a cubical box edge itna. Edge means this is length. Cuboidal box means this is length and this is breadth and this is height. Edge of a cube 10 meter. Lateral surface area of cubical means total is 6a square, but we are not including top and bottom. So what left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4a square. Here is 4. A means 10. So 400 centimeters square. Lateral surface area of cuboidal box means we are not including top and bottom. This is L into H. This is B into H. So 2L into H and 2B into H. We are not including this part. So this will be the formula. So using this formula, 360 centimeter square will be the lateral surface area. So what is the difference? 400 minus 360, that is 40 centimeter square is the difference. Okay, in case of a cube and cuboid. Now we move to the second part. In second part, which box has smaller total surface area? In the previous one, we are talking about the lateral surface area. This is lateral surface area. We are not including top and bottom. But in second part, we are talking about the total surface area. Total surface area, that means we are including all. That is 6a square. In case of a cube, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6a square or 6 into side square. Side is 10, that is 6 into 10 square, that is 600. In case of cuboidal box, this is the formula for the total surface area, that is 610. Then difference 610 and 10 centimeters square. That is total surface area of cuboid is more than in case of a cube. So this is all about application number 5. So we end our video here only.